Are you tired of waiting for weeks or even months to get paid online? What if I told you there are websites that actually pay you daily? And the best part, you don't need any experience to start. Today, I'm going to share with you 7 websites that pay you every single day.
For simple tasks anyone can do. Make sure you stick around until the end, because number 7 is a hidden gem that most people don't know about.
And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss more money-making tips.
The first website is PicoWorkers, now known as Sprout Gigs. This is a microtask platform where companies post small jobs,
like signing up for apps, testing websites, writing reviews, or even liking a YouTube video. The tasks are super simple
and usually take 1 to 5 minutes. Payment is small, maybe 5 cents to $2 per task, but it adds up quickly.
The best part? Once you reach the minimum payout of just $5, you can withdraw your money instantly through PayPal, Skrill, or even cryptocurrency, perfect for beginners. Next up is RapidWorkers. This is very similar to Sprout Gigs, but it's been around longer and is trusted by thousands of freelancers. You will find tasks like completing surveys, following social media accounts, or testing products. What makes it great is that payments are processed daily once your work is approved. You don't need skills. And number 3 is Clickworker. This platform offers microjobs like writing short texts, data entry, app testing, and categorizing products. It's available worldwide, and you can even use their mobile app to earn money on the go. Clickworker pays through PayPal,
usually within 24 hours of approval. Some users report getting paid the same day, so if you're consistent, you can literally cash out daily. Hello, welcome to Wisdom Wealth, where we build wealth with wisdom. If you're coming across this channel for the first time,
especially welcome you to this amazing channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, I also especially welcome you back. If you haven't subscribed to this channel,
do well to subscribe to this channel and remember to hit on the notification bell so as to be notified anytime I upload a new video.
Now let's move to Rev, a website that pays you to transcribe audio and video files. If you can type in English, you can do this.
No experience is needed because Rev has a short test, and once you pass, you will start receiving transcription, captioning, or subtitle jobs.
The pay is about $0.30 to $1.10 per audio minute, and you get paid every week via PayPal.
While it's not strictly daily for everyone, many freelancers earn enough each day to withdraw consistently once it hits their account.
Website number 5 is user testing. Companies pay you to test their websites, apps, and digital products.
You'll be asked to browse a site, record your screen, and share your honest thoughts. Each test takes about 10 to 20 minutes, and you earn $10 to $60 per test. Payments are made through PayPal within 24 hours after the test is approved, which makes it one of the fastest paying platforms out there.
Number 6 might surprise you, Fiverr.
Normally, Fiverr pays after 14 days, but if you use the Fiverr revenue card or PayPal with their Fiverr balance withdrawal, you can get your money much faster. Here's the trick. Offer fast, simple gigs like removing backgrounds, writing short blurbs, or creating AI-generated images.
Clients pay upfront, and as soon as you deliver, your money starts processing. With consistent orders, you can technically be getting paid every single day. And finally, number 7 is TimeBucks. This is a multitask platform where you can earn by watching videos, taking surveys, playing games, or even getting paid to post on TikTok.
The cool part? They pay every single week without fail, and once your balance reaches $10, you can withdraw via PayPal, Bitcoin, or even direct bank transfer. Many users set it up so they receive earnings almost daily, depending on activity.
So there you have it, 7 websites that pay you daily with no experience needed. Whether it's small microtasks, transcription,
testing websites, or quick gigs on Fiverr, these sites are beginner-friendly and available worldwide.
Tell me in the comments, which of these websites will you try first? And don't forget, if you want more videos on how to make money online, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.